Well, as if you must have heard about the rumor mills that Tiger Shroff and Rashmika Mandanna have been roped in by none other but Crunchyroll. Fresh off the big release of his new action movie Baaghi 4, Bollywood actor and Tiger Shroff was seen out and about in Mumbai, and accompanying him was actress Rashmika Mandanna. The two stars, who were recently featured in a brand campaign, were spotted attending a special event in the city, and fans got a glimpse of their favorites, Rashmika and Tiger, posing side by side inside what seemed to be like a movie theater. The duo could be seen flashing big smiles as they stopped for a quick photo session at the event. As always, the fashion statements of both stars also caught the attention of everyone. Rashmika, right on theme, opted for a pink crop top layered with a checkered crop jacket paired with a brown mini skirt. Her look was completed with black chunky heels adorned with red and white bow details, while Tiger, on the other hand, kept things cool and casual. He chose a simple white t-shirt, blue denim jeans, and topped it off with a bright yellow shirt. Well, what do you have to say about the duo? Do comment. And for more videos on Bollywood, please keep watching this space on Bollywood Royal. And if you have not as yet subscribed to the channel, do so immediately.